Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto and tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Hodlnaut crypto card, exploring its features, ideal user, and my personal experience. This review will help you determine if this card fits your crypto spending needs. Links to the product are available in the description below. The Hodlnaut crypto card is designed specifically for users of the Hodlnaut platform, a platform known for its crypto lending and interest-earning services. The card aims to provide seamless spending of your digital assets. It's particularly suited for individuals who want to earn interest on their crypto holdings while still being able to easily spend them. Using the Hodlnaut crypto card allows you to make payments directly with Bitcoin and other supported cryptocurrencies. The card instantly converts your crypto to fiat currency at the point of sale, eliminating the need to manually sell your crypto before making a purchase. Hodlnaut handles the conversion in real time, simplifying the entire spending process. A key feature of the Hodlnaut crypto card is its seamless integration with the Hodlnaut app. This provides complete control over your spending and access to a detailed transaction history. You can easily set spending limits, lock the card if necessary, and monitor your account activity through the app's user-friendly interface. One of the most attractive aspects of the card is its cashback rewards program. Every purchase earns you cashback, which is credited back in cryptocurrency, enabling you to grow your digital assets even as you spend. The cashback percentage you receive depends on your level of engagement within the Hodlnaut ecosystem. Higher tiers within the system, especially for loyal users holding Hodlnaut's token, offer more generous rewards. This card is particularly well suited for Hodlnaut users already taking advantage of the platform's interest-earning services. It offers a convenient way to access and spend your cryptocurrency without needing to transfer funds to a separate wallet or exchange. It's an excellent choice for those prioritizing convenience and ease of use, and who are looking for a seamless crypto-to-fiat conversion process while earning rewards. Furthermore, the card's competitive fee structure, with no monthly charges or hidden fees, makes it even more appealing for crypto-savvy spenders. In my experience, the Hodlnaut crypto card provides a straightforward and efficient solution for everyday crypto spending. Transactions are quick and effortless, the app interface is intuitive, and the rewards program offers a valuable incentive for active Hodlnaut users. Overall, the Hodlnaut crypto card is a solid option for anyone already within the Hodlnaut ecosystem or considering exploring crypto lending with spending flexibility. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more detailed information.